Assalamu alaikum students, hope all of you fine and feeling well. Today I will teach you about noun. Noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing. So noun is in 4 categories: person noun, animal noun, thing noun and place noun. Let me make some sentences for them. For person, we take a name of a person. For example, Ali is a good student. Who is good? Ali is good. Ali is a person. For it, we use the name of a person. And for animal, cat is a cute animal. What's cute? Cat. Cat is an animal. Thing noun. Chair is under the tree. What's under the tree? There's a thing. Chair. Quetta is a beautiful city. What's beautiful? Quetta. And it's a place. Pronoun. Yes, pronouns are used to replace a noun. When we don't want to repeat the nouns time and again, we use pronouns. For example, we have 7 pronouns in English language, and they are he, she, it, I, we, you, and they. Do you remember this? These all are subjective pronouns. Now here, Ali is a student of Sakhawat Champions. Who is Ali? Ali is the name of a person. What will be pronoun of it? He is a student of Sakhawat Champions. We replace he. When there is noun by the name of female, means Sarah is playing hockey. So Sarah is a female. For Sarah, we don't use he. We use she is playing hockey because Sarah is a female. Let me make some more sentences about pronoun and noun. Okay, here is a sentence. Cat is cute animal. Pronoun. It is cute animal. Why I did not use he? Because for non-living things and for animals we use it. Only it. There is another pronoun which does not have its noun. I am a student of Sakhawat Champions English Academy. Now the speaker himself is saying something. When he includes himself, remember that there is no any noun for him. I doesn't have its noun. So let me make another sentence. Riaz, Rihan and I are going to Bhulan. Who are going? Yes, when I don't want to take the names, simply it is very sure that I say we are going to Bhulan because I myself is involved. I myself is included. When a speaker includes himself, so pronoun will be we. Look here. Here is another pronoun which does not have its noun, and it is you. You are a great entertainer. Now here, you doesn't have its noun. And here is another sentence. John and Alex are reading books. What? John and Alex. When there are 2 nouns and more than 2 nouns, for them there is a pronoun, a very beautiful pronoun, and that is they are reading books.